Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, your guide through the latest happenings in the world of business. Investors seeking passive income from the stock market will tune into the latest 3 announcements from listed companies. Stanley Motor Limited has declared a dividend of 0.079 cents per stock unit payable on June 20, 2024 to all shareholders on record as at May 31, 2024. The ex-dividend date is May 31, 2024. Access Financial Services Limited has advised that the Board of Directors meeting previously scheduled for May 28, 2024 has been postponed to June 27, 2024. At this meeting, the directors will consider making a dividend payment to ordinary shareholders of the company. Caribbean Assurance Brokers Limited has advised that a meeting of its board of directors will be held on Tuesday, May 28, 2024, to consider an interim dividend payment to shareholders. For investors seeking to earn more income from rising interest rates, several opportunities are currently open on the bond market. Currently, interest rates are in the double digits, and investors have a number of options. Mayberry Investments' new bond will be issued in 3 tranches totaling 2.25 billion Jamaican dollars with the ability to upsize to 3.37 billion Jamaican dollars. Tranche 1 will allow up to 750 million Jamaican dollars at 9.25% and matures in 13 months. Tranche 2 up to $750 million at 10% and matures in 26 months. And Tranche 3 up to $750 million at 10.5%, which matures in 36 months. And note, the requirement is a minimum of $20,000 to participate. Additionally, investors can earn income from interest rates paid on bonds from recent offerings such as credit union offerings, Sangster Airport food concessionaire Express Catering, and Government of Jamaica global bonds. The cost of clothes have gone up. Jamaicans face higher prices for apparel for the year to April 2024, according to news reports by RJR News. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica Statin says the average annual point-to-point inflation rate for the division was 3.4% for the 12-month period. For the month of April 2024 alone, the division of clothing and footwear moved upwards by 0.2%. The category faced mixed movement in prices, also shipping costs regulated. However, the cost for some raw materials increased. During trading for May 20, 2024, the following companies valued at 500 million Jamaican dollars or more in assets represent the overall volume leaders in terms of equity sales on the main market of the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Alternative energy provider Wigton Wind Farm Limited ordinary shares with 2,381,775 units amounted to 31.62% of the main market volume in terms of equity sales. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited with 1,108,379 units amounted to 14.72% of the main market volume in terms of equity sales. Lasco Distributors Limited with 1,096,657 units amounted to 14.56% of the main market volume in terms of equity sales. During trading for May 20, 2024 on the Jamaica Stock Exchange, the following companies represent the overall volume leaders in terms of sales of equity on the junior stock market, with companies valued at 50 million or more Jamaican dollars in asset value. Online education platform One-on-One Educational Services Limited with 4,372,388 units, amounting to 44.01% of the junior market volume in terms of sales. Furniture and writing book distributor Stationery and Office Supplies Limited with 2,008,949 units, amounted to 20.22% of the junior market volume in terms of sales. Hotel food and beverage distributor Everything Fresh Limited with 908,181 units, amounted to 9.14% of the junior market in terms of sales. Over on the Twin Island Republic of Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, trading on May 20, 2024, registered a volume of 140,119 shares crossing the floor of the exchange, valued at $2,059,517 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 94 cents. Trinidad Cement Limited was the volume leader with 48,852 shares, changing hands for a value of $124,868 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 30 cents, followed by the West Indian Tobacco Company Limited with a volume of 34,584 shares being traded for 311,529 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 84 cents. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies, we turn to the Forex market. On May 20, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $52.9 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $58.6 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $156.83 and bought the US dollar for $155.28. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.55, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of $1.02 from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $115.40 and bought for $114.38. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $7.64, selling it for $199.26 and buying it for $191.62. For our credit report tip of the day, if you have to wheel and come again because you've lost your job, it's important to stay proactive, particularly when it comes to maintaining and rebuilding your credit. It is important to communicate with your creditors. Do not feel afraid to pen to paper, write to your bank and explain your situation, document it. Many creditors offer hardship programs that can provide temporary relief, such as reduced payments or deferred payments. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed, stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care.